Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create jump links using WordPress. I have this page here and I want users to be able to click this link so that this area of the website works like an index, so they can jump to different areas on the same page. So to do that, make sure you select the text that you want to turn into a jump link and click this little icon here to turn it into a link. Now, instead of typing a URL, you're going to type hashtag and some name for the link. You're not going to add spaces here, so I'm going to call this one navigation-link. I'm going to make sure I copy this name here and I'm going to hit enter. Now, as you can see, the link has been created. Then I'm going to scroll down here where I wanted this to jump to, and I'm going to click here and I'll go to the sidebar, which you can enable if you don't see it by clicking this button, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to this advanced section, and here where it says HTML anchor, I'm going to paste the link that I just copied, which is that link with the hashtag, and I'm going to save the page. Now, if I click view page and click my link, it jumps to the page section that I had previously selected. So that's how you make jump links. Hope it was useful. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.